Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Bluetooth uses radio power and can drain battery faster than standby mode. Disable Bluetooth when you are not actively using headphones, keyboards, or speakers. Turning it off reduces the risk of unwanted pairing and prevents automatic reconnections. You can also disable Bluetooth in public places to minimize tracking and data exchange. This step takes only a few taps or clicks on a device. Follow the device-specific instructions in the next slides to safely turn it off. On iPhone, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Tap the Bluetooth icon once. The icon turns gray and disconnects devices. For a full disable, open settings, select Bluetooth and toggle it completely off. On Android, swipe down for quick settings and tap Bluetooth to toggle it off. Alternatively, open settings, connections, Bluetooth, and switch it off there for a persistent disable. Confirm the status shows Bluetooth off, and paired devices disconnect immediately. On Windows, click the Action Center icon or press Windows key plus it to open it. Click the Bluetooth tile to toggle it off, or open Settings, Devices, Bluetooth, and other devices and switch Bluetooth off. On Mac OS, click the Bluetooth icon in the menu bar and choose Turn Bluetooth Off, or open System Settings, Bluetooth, and toggle it. If you want to prevent automatic reconnection, select a device and choose Forget or Remove. Verify Bluetooth shows as off before closing your settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.